I am eating some sweet potato chips. So, just trying to get it out of my mouth. Today is the 4th. That was not even the 5th. It's the 4th. And went to Dollar Tree. Initially not intending to buy any decor, but always open to the possibilities. Went to Dollar Tree, got some things. Now I'm not doing too much for Valentine's Day. I have, as previously mentioned, some hearts here and there. I have some on the walls right now. There's that heart. Some of the wreaths are in the bathroom, but I had, some of the hearts are in the bathroom. I had one atop the back door and one like all the way in the bottom, so it was just middle empty space. So my mom was like, you need something in the middle there. I'm like, you know what, I accept the challenge. I was thinking, I'm like, okay, I guess I'll just get some other heart-shaped thing, but I'm just like, too many hearts feels too much. So I opted for something else, and I'll show you that first. So, they have spring. The spring stuff is slowly coming out. It's mostly still Valentine's Day stuff, but the one I went to today also did have some St. Patrick's Day gear. But they had some spring stuff. So I got this by just the general plant spring things. And it's a welcome sign. It just says welcome, and it's a nice little yellow bike. And it feels like, with in combination with the other two items, that it's very just much like, okay, fun, loving vibes here. It's supposed to just like, oh my gosh, Valentine's Day. So, excited for this. One of my old ceramic animals that I also got from Dollar Tree currently has lozenges, but I want something else that's more like candy in here in case, candy and other lozenges, but the it's kind of hard to get to ish. So it's a little cat, and I have some lozenges in there usually more, but I opted to get this little heart-shaped thing. And I have these little plastic containers year-round for different seasons, mostly winter. But this is cute, and I liked it. So I'm going to fill this with candy and or lozenges, and and put it on the bookcase. Okay. And I think the last thing I got were some more flake flowers. I think I meant in store to look for a vase, and I just didn't for some reason. But maybe I'll find another empty bottle from past place, I don't know, or eventually buy one. But I got 3 of these, and they each have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, like 6, it looks like. 6 of these, so I got 3 of these stems. So it's a nice little, it's very cute, and it's not super pink. It's like, it's shades of pink, so there's a gradation to pink, but it's almost like a blush peach type color. So it's not like, oh my gosh, white roses are like pink, or it's a nice medium. I feel like I can use this year round. Here's contrast for the poinsettia flowers. They're kind of similar. I mean, maybe I will just stuff them in there at some point. They're not that similar. For me to stuff them in there. This is more pink. This is more like a rose. So, which is ironic, right? So yeah. And then probably I'm not gonna be doing too many decorating in the spring. It's at least my thought, indoors anyway, because we're trying to move one, and also probably I'm gonna be back to dealing with actual, real flowers and real plants. So. Just really excited. This looks super cute. I think this would be great if, that's what I feel like. I feel like if I was someone in a relationship, I guess I was going to say if I was a man, but I guess I could, do that to my boyfriend theoretically. Just give him gifts, make him feel super, super doted on whatever. But I would just buy a bunch of these and make like a really big arrangement. My sister used to get big bouquets, and the whole thing is they wilt. So then she was like starting to figure out how she can, they wilt and die, so she was trying to figure out how she can preserve them. These, you can just do this. Get you a big bouquet. Anyway, thanks for watching. Till next time. Goodbye. Yes. It's been a couple days. I just want to show you the new floral arrangement I have on the floor. The flowers got reorganized. It was time. Okay, so here's what it's looking like. Yeah. And then in good lighting for once. Here's the rearrangement of the flowers. This is where I kept the surplus flowers that weren't fitting the theme. And now I've made this because now it's just on the floor of my room. It's just like a nice little pink red bouquet, you know, for Valentine's. It's the mood. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.